Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our today's lesson or our today's lecture is going to be differentiation. This is one of the topics in Form 4 and it is the third last topic. After this topic, we only have approximation and integration. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the forgiver and the giver. My student, today our subtopic that we are going to learn and we are going to simplify it further is average rate of change. Average rate of change is the average rate at which one quantity varies with respect to another in a given interval. For instance, you will be given 2 points, then you compare the rate at which the 2 points are changing from one point to another. Normally, when we are dealing with average rate of change, we use graph. When a function is represented graphically, the average rate of change in an interval between 2 points, let's say A and B, is given by a straight line joining the 2 points. So if you want to get the average rate of change of 2 points, first you have to join the 2 points using a straight line. And then you will calculate the gradient of that line, which is going to give you the average rate of change for those 2 points. Consider the sketch below. We have y-axis, we have our x-axis, we have a curve. Let's say that curve, we have just a curve, this is a sketch, and in this curve we have picked 2 points. This is our point A and this is our point B. Our point A is x, y, while our point B is x1, y1. When we want to get the average rate of change for these 2 points, at first you have to add. If it was you to draw or to sketch the curve, then you are supposed to add, you are supposed to join point A and point B directly using a straight line, using a ruler. Do not use freehand. Then after joining, it has formed a straight line. Then using this straight line, find out the gradient of the line. NP, gradient of a line, or gradient of line AB. Gradient of line AB is equals to average rates of change. Then how do we get gradient of a line or gradient of line AB? Gradient of a line you have learned in Form 2, equation of a line and equation of straight line. We say change in y over change in x. These things that you are seeing as a triangle, it's not a triangle, it is referred as change. Change in y and over change in x. For this case, we have the coordinates of B as x1 and y1, and the coordinates of A as x and y. So change in y, we pick the value of y here and the value of y here, and then we subtract. Change is the difference. So we can say y1 minus y over y1 minus y over x1 minus x, x1 minus x. Note this, when finding gradient of a line, always the one you start with on this side must also start, you must also start, the x-axis must also be on, if you start with y1 for this case, then you should also start with x1. And similarly, if you start with y minus y1, you must also start with x. Always be consistent. Start with this side or start with this side. Let's see one example. You have been given a question. You are told draw the graph of y equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Roman B here you are told find the average rate of change from Roman 1 x equals to -6
2x equals to 1. Roman 2, x equals to negative 5, 2x equals to 0.